love it.
Oh yeah. Well, see folks. Should I be worried?
I don't think so. Do you feel? Is it hot right there? Like super, like getting there? You know,
Maybe
will it get there?
A little bit, but
Yeah.
Shielding.
Sure. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
5. Do you want me to roll for you?
We're not gonna pass that around.
Oh yeah. You're gonna pass
I can just do one of those.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
7.
Yep.
7. So you want me to just go first with the shoot off? 8.
7.
Okay. So me first.
You first.
Gotta sit up.
Well, you don't need to roll yet. I think you just place first.
Oh yeah, we're just.
We do this every time.
Where's my?
Where are the
Reds.
pieces?
Your pieces are under you. Reds. See reds?
Red's here.
Thanks.
I looked at this and I did it.
With a bag.
You got water or what?
Yeah, it's behind him. We need more wood in this thing. What are we thinking?
You should get in frame and just start going berserk, and we'll just act like nothing's going on. You know?
Okay. That's like the bit. It's like playing Catan. It's like
But what actually is going on?
yeah.
Well, do you want to place first?
What? You just placed, bro.
I did.
Oh.
But it didn't be Jet's turn.
You can go next.
Okay. We'll just go this one.
Okay. Oh, I thought I was not supposed to react.
You weren't supposed to react.
I know, I forgot. Alright, you can go again.
I don't got much more wood to chop.
It's okay. It doesn't. Nobody knows what you're doing.
Kind of hard not to react.
Jet.
Bro.
I didn't mean. I'm sorry.
Damn it.
Okay.
You're
Okay,
cleaning
you
the
can
board.
calm down now. And stick to our board.
That should do, right?
Yeah, get that out of
It's gonna
here.
get real tough.
It's okay. We can do this.
It's gonna get so complicated whenever we have to place on these edges.
Let me shovel some underneath. Pick it up a little bit. It's closer, I guess.
Sorry.
Easy, Jet.
Okay. Hey, no more hitting. Okay.
Stop,
No.
Jet.
Burn them down.
No more.
We gotta play Catan.
You guys know what happened.
We're gonna lose our good lighting though. Actually.
Yeah.
That's true. I gotta get a raging fire then.
Dude, Jesus.
I don't even know where I put anything or what's going on anymore.
Somehow the earthquake didn't affect the town.
Didn't affect the what?
The town. Too much.
Okay.
Oh, Jet. Easy. I don't like this. Okay, maybe I need to move this.
Yeah, probably so.
If it's gonna go like that.
What if you spun it
scoot
around
this way.
backwards?
Scoot it this way just a little bit. Good fire.
Good
I bet
Oh,
the,
it's my turn.
I bet the shot's epic. Yeah, it is your turn.
Okay.
The shot's awesome.
I'm gonna put these over.
Hey man, I'm trying to place here.
I'm trying not to owe $500.
Why don't you just spin it around more?
This is good. This is good. Okay. Let's dial in here. Another 11. What was our number last time? 11s?
Yeah. I think we placed them the same.
Right.
Oh no.
It's my turn.
Again, I have to go
Just
twice.
Oh, you do have to go twice.
I see that being a great bit for Catan players.
What?
Like, did he make the right move? What do y'all think about this placement?
Ooh. Dang. This is a good board, I feel like. Kinda, you know? It's gonna be
too.
kinda competitive. I'm just gonna go for it over here. What would I not?
Should we stop the recording now, you think?
Yeah, let's get one more shot of next person that rolls or something happens. We go, oh, like the other two people were